Who's that? Who the hell is in my boat? Hey! Hey, excuse me? Excuse me, that's my boat. I don't know who you think you are or what tournament show you fish with, but this is my boat. Just a quick tip for all you scrubs out there like myself. If you don't have a boat rope and you have a dog, just use your pup's leash to connect the front of the boat to the dock. Simple and easy as that. All right, Scooter, let's go fishing. Good morning, you beautiful Jeets. I am out on one of my favorite little lakes. Captain Scoot and First Mate John here, and we're gonna see if we can crank some fish. I've got a very short amount of time to fish before the Father's Day festivities begin. I'm gonna see if I can make some juice happen. Oh my God, there's some bait jumping in front of me. As Flair would say, the current time is 6:45 a.m., bright and breezy. I'm gonna start off with some topwater, transition into some jigs, maybe some weightless Senko fishing, and then we'll go from there. This lake has got smallmouth, and I'm trying to catch a good smallmouth today. So stick with it, enjoy, and let's catch some fish. So I just got finished fishing up shallow. Took about 100 casts up shallow. Nothing. No bites, no peaks, not even a sniff. So I'm now fishing the deep dam, which I know usually produces whenever I throw a jig or a shaky head. This is usually where I catch my smallmouth too, so I'm feeling kind of optimistic about this. There's no wind over here, it's nice and calm. I've got a little finesse grass jig tied on. I'm gonna let that puppy sink to the bottom and just roll it on back to deep water. And if that doesn't work, I'm gonna go back up shallow and try some different tactics that I hadn't attempted before. But we're gonna give this a swing first. Oh, I had him! Titties! Good bite, swing and a miss. Let's examine the craw. Oh, yeah, she got chomped. Lucky, you distracted me, that was your fault. I'm blaming it all on you. All right, so there's fish here. I just got my first nibble of the day. Out deep, this is about 13 feet of water, deep stuff. One of the deeper parts of the lake. Also, that corner is pretty deep too. It wasn't a big bite. It felt kind of ratty, like a little one, but still, like right now, I'll take anything. Oh my God, I had one. Up shallow, way up shallow, like on the drop. Damn it, dude. Like as soon as I reeled down to my jig, he was just moving off the bank with it. Son of a wiener. God. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. Slow clap for that one. There's one. I'm on. No, he came off. What the That was a good fish. Wow. Literally reaching down to grab the net, and he popped off. Little one. I'm on. Little frogfish. Yeah, get in here. Woo! Yeah! Made some adjustments, switched to a white frog opposed to that black one I was throwing earlier. And I got a bass. Wow, you're a lot smaller than I hoped. But you know what? I like you. Look at Scooter. I got one. GT release. Wasn't the bite I was anticipating, but I'll take it. Haven't figured out a title yet for this video, but I think it's gonna be how to avoid catching fish. I am sucking hard-boiled eggs right now. Usually when I come to this place, I do fairly good. I catch at least like a nice bag. Today I've caught a fish about that big, and I lost about a 3-pounder on a dock just over there. I can't say that I'm really ecstatic about my performance today. I think I'm relying too much on the baits that I'm so used to throwing, and I need to try something different. So with that being said, instead of throwing a jig, I'm gonna throw a Texas rig. Now there's a lot of grass in this lake, so I'm thinking if I use a Texas rig, it'll get down there a little bit better in the strike zone and it's not gonna get hung up. Whereas if I was using like a jig, it would get hung up in the grass and the fish can't see that, you know? But thus far, the only bait that's caught me a fish is the frog. It's the white frog. And I had one on the jig earlier. Scoot is very much disappointed in my fishing abilities today. I'm so sorry I've let you down. Hang in there, I'm gonna catch a big one. Just give me a second. There's one, that's a fish. I'm on. Ooh, baby, about time. About time. Oh, yes, get in here. Whew. Wow, what a relief. What a relief that was. I put 4 good hours into this fish right here. It's embarrassing, but hey, I'm happy as hell. Nice little 1-pounder. This place is kicking my butt today. Although it's been nice to me in the past, it is definitely a difficult day today. Good little fish. Yeah, that's what's up. All right, let's get that release. That was such a good bite. It was like one of the best bites in the world. I love you. All right, happy Father's Day, bass. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go get some smoothies. Let's get some smoothies. I wish I could have put on a clinic for you guys. Caught like 15 pounds of bass here in Northern Illinois. But look, I got swamp bass. It's hot, it's almost 97 degrees, and the fishing was bunk. There's only one thing left to do now. Look, whoa. Hey, big ups on the smoothie hookup. The one great thing about the heat is that it makes smoothies taste 1,000 times better. I'm kind of bummed out today, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I was hoping for today to be kind of like a bang up fishing day. I expected to catch some on frogs, some on jigs. It just didn't really work out that way. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these smoothies, go back to the crib, and get a little creative. One thing I haven't done in quite some time on this channel is an unboxing. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna meet you guys back at the crib, take this smoothie, and Scoot and I are gonna head on our way home. We're back at the crib. Now it's time to see what's in this month's empty grow box. You know what? 1 second. We're gonna twist things up. I'm gonna add a little bit of a different perspective to today's video. I'm going with the head thong. This is something none of you YouTubers out there have ever done before. I don't even wanna hear it. Nobody's done a head mount unboxing. We're recording? I think we are, oh, we are hot. We are hot. Unfortunately, I am off the water currently, so I can't like throw this box in the water, then find it and claim that I found treasure. So at the very least, I'm gonna call 911, get dispatch out here, and maybe we can get some cops involved in parentheses in this title. I don't know, just jazz up this unboxing. Yeah, hi, I was wondering if you guys could come over. I need a good thumbnail and a title. Oh, you guys don't do that. Huh, like 10 seconds. I'll throw you a 50 spot. All right, sick. All right, nice. Okay, so I just called dispatch. They should be here in about 30 or 40 minutes, but in the meantime, let's get into what's in this month's Mystery Tackle Box Pro box, which I have in my hands right here. Let me get a little kiss first. Ooh, it's tasty. Are we still hot up here? Are we still recording? Oh, we're good, we're good. Wow! Oh, snap. I always like starting off with the hard baits. I'm a big hard bait guy. Ooh, looks like we had a loose jimmy here. So before I bore the living shit out of you guys, I'm gonna explain what Mystery Tackle Box is in about 5 seconds. Mystery Tackle Box is a subscription-based company for anglers just like you watching right now. Use this code right here to receive $10 off your first box and click the link in the description below. All right, done. Let's get into what's in the box. We've got a Lucky Craft gunfish that is $16. Wow, that's pricey. Lucky John Pilot, which is $9. Vile Craw, which is $3.59 to be exact. The Optimum Original Swim Bait, which is $8.99, and if you round it with 1 penny, it's $9. Liquid Mayhem Fish Attractant, that is gonna be about $5 right here. And then we've got some Lunker City Sluggo, which is $2.60. So we got a lot in this box. The whole idea is you get more bang for your buck. Check this puppy out here. This is the first bait we got. I think this is the Lucky John. Yeah, this is the Lucky John Pilot. Looks like a nice little medium diving crankbait here. I like this jimmy. It's got some nice trebles. Very unique. I've never seen a crankbait like this before in my entire life. I'm curious as to how this works in the water. Maybe I'll even do a little slam after this unboxing. Like not today, but later. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice bait. All right, moving on. Next one we have is a Lucky Craft gunfish, and quite possibly one of the most interesting colors I have ever seen. It's a topwater bait. The gunfish is a good lure. It's a classic. If you guys have never fished one before, you need to. It's like a spitting, walk the dog kind of hybrid bait, and it really cranks the fish this time of year. This is a good summer lure for early morning bites. I dig it. Nice job, MTB. 2 hard baits. What else do we have? Ooh, we got the swim bait. This one's pretty interesting. Optimum claims that this is the original swim bait, meaning that there literally was no swim bait before this one, or if there was, it wasn't the original, it wasn't the OG, but it looks pretty cool. It's a nice little small profile, good for smallmouth, man. This thing would tear up some smallies up north. Nice beefy hook. I'm sure this thing's got killer action. Nice little boot tail. Look how soft that is. That wiggle is enticing. So 1 crankbait, a topwater, and a swim bait. So far, so good. Now let's move on to the soft plastic. Wow, you get 2 soft plastic. First one is a Biospawn Vile Craw. You guys have probably seen this in the box a lot. This is a good staple flipping and pitching and punching craw. And yeah, not much to say here. It's got some flappies. It's black and blue, one of my favorite colors. I dig it. Next soft plastic is a good old-fashioned Sluggo. This is an OG lure. This thing right here has been around for, I feel like, centuries. I've caught some pretty big stripers on the bigger version of the Sluggo, but this looks like a little baby one. Good for smallies. I'm a big fan of this. I like this little color, and I also like the size. On a drop shot, on a little split shot rig, that thing would probably mop up in some clear water. Watch out, smallies. Sluggo's coming for you. Woo! And last but not least, we've got a, oh, that's nice, a little bottle of toothpaste. Oh wait, no, this isn't toothpaste. This is Liquid Mayhem. A little intense on the name there. No fish can resist. Should have this today on the boat. It's in a shad scent. It's kind of cool because it's not a sample size, it's like the full size. To demonstrate what you would normally do with a little bit of Liquid Mayhem if you're uncertain, you're gonna take one of your baits from the MTV box. Right here, I chose the gunfish. And you're just gonna squirt some of that right on the ridge of your bait. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Plain and simple. Oh, that's potent. Yeah, that's good enough. Don't get right up in there, you might hurt yourself. That's a wrap for today's video. Thank you for the view. Be sure to give this video you're watching right now a like. It's that little thumbs up button. If you click that, it makes my day, and it also means that I get to make more videos like this. And again, if you're not subscribed, you can do so really easily. That subscribe button right there, just click that, and you get notified whenever I post a new video, whether it be an unboxing, a fishing video, maybe a series. Who knows? You guys, we'll just have to wait and see. Just have to wait and see. Anyway, I am signing off. Gonna spend some time with my dad since it is Father's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Huge shout out to Mr. Tackle for sponsoring this video, and I will catch you guys next time. As always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.